That's a cool button. It looks like it newer than this.
It is. Totally, yeah.
Yeah. Narrow doors and everything. What's this building called?
Trivium.
Trivium, okay. Because I know I'll have to look at it again and be like, darn, I forgot where that was.
Yeah.
The GU ones, I'm gonna really have to.
No, yeah, I always have to do that. Sometimes I'll just put in like a building.
Because I have a map of my locations. But a lot of people, innovation inside.
Yeah.
And it doesn't light up.
Yeah, I literally think they literally just slapped this on.
And you can hardly see the indicator.
Yeah.
It's dim. Oh, relays for the... Oh, it's supposed to be a bell.
I think so.
I think it would be the dong clink. You know that one?
Oh, you're right.
Those are rare.
Oh, they fixed it.
Still cool though.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, that's a good thing because I think it was bad.
Yeah. Wow, that's
yeah. Definitely on its original controller.
Yeah. One doesn't, so I'm guessing they just never hooked up the lights.
Yeah, probably.
I pushed the other buttons to find out, but that's not the best thing to do. People don't tend to like when you push all the buttons. I know people that seriously do that on like high rises. They go in there as like prank office workers by doing that.
Yeah.
It's annoying. All right. And they replaced the sensor. That looks like the only thing.
Oh, yeah.
Sensor and
So turn the buttons.
basic mod, yeah.
Someone commented,